If you want to work on multiple copies of the same data, then you can simply copy, that is duplicate out your seats inside of Google Sheets. And to do that, you can see that I have a sheet called shopping list and example there with only one data. So let's say I want to create a duplicate of this sheet. So simply what I can do is I can click on this little arrow right here, or I can right click on this and simply click on duplicate. And what happens is that once I click on duplicate, a copy of the sheet is here. So I'm just going to rename this out as shopping list 2, just like this, by double clicking on it. And let's say I want to create a duplicate of this as well. So I'm going to right click on duplicate, and you can see that there's copy of example. So I'm just going to rename it as example 2 and click right here. So there you go. You got the shopping list 2, and then you got example there and example 2. You can also rearrange the seats. Let's say, for example, I want the example 2 seats to be the second seat right here. I can simply click and drag it with my mouse, and then there you go. That is how you can rearrange the seats. Click and drag the seat onto the right side, and there you go. That is how you can rearrange seats. You can also use the move left and right option. You can right click, and then you can see move left is an option. Click on it, and the seat moves on towards the left. You can right click right here, move it to the left, or you can right click and move it to the right as well. And that is how you can duplicate sheets and rearrange sheets inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.